Have you seen people selling and buying Snapchat score boosting services in Discord and Telegram groups? Well, today we're going to dive deep, debunk some myths, and reveal the best ways to boost scores. So make sure to watch the video till the end. But before we get into it, let me know in the comments why you want to increase your Snapchat score and what you've tried so far. Ready? Let's get started. Your Snapchat score is a metric that quantifies your level of activity on Snapchat. It increases based on the number of snaps you send, receive, and the stories you post. Basically, it acts as an indicator of your Snapchat usage and engagement. Having a high Snapchat score does more than just stroke your ego. It can make your account look more credible and active. This can help you attract more fans or increase your revenue if you're an influencer, OnlyFans creator, or running a business online. But who really needs a high Snap score? Honestly, it's not for everyone. If you're using Snapchat for personal connections, don't sweat it, unless you want the bragging right to get attention for entertainment purposes. But if you're looking to grow your audience or build brand recognition, that number can make a difference. Many people have misconceptions about Snapchat scores. Some people believe that having a high score is a bulletproof solution to prevent your account from getting banned. But that's not true. In fact, your account can still get banned if users report your account or if you're found to have violated Snapchat's terms of service. Another myth is that a high Snapchat score is the key to winning over your audience. However, in my experience, the score is often overlooked by people if you're delivering the right content or offers. Your audience cares more about your content being authentic and engaging, and the links you send being legitimate. For example, if you're an OnlyFans creator, sharing links to your verified OnlyFans profile already removes any doubts about you being a catfish. So, while a high Snapchat score can contribute to your credibility, it's your content and engagement with the audience that truly matter. Now, let's debunk another myth. Adding celebrities or sending snaps to random people doesn't work anymore and can even risk getting you banned. So, let's focus on safe and sustainable ways to boost that score. Buying scores might seem tempting due to its immediate result with little or no effort. However, you may not notice it right away, but it could hurt the reputation score of your account and ultimately lead to account bans. It's best to focus on increasing organic engagement. This not only keeps Snapchat's algorithm happy, but also returns meaningful results such as enhancing your bottom line. In the process, you also gain a Snapchat score as a byproduct. Given the sophistication of social media algorithms with the incorporation of AI, it's best not to try to outsmart them, but to play along the right way. There are still safe and effective ways to boost your Snapchat score. The best way is by getting people to add you voluntarily on Snapchat, and engaging with them by sending live snaps, messages, and posting stories. So how can we get these ads? Simple, by linking your Snapchat account on certain dating apps and Reddit threads. Major dating apps like Tinder and Bumble ban accounts if you add social media handles in your bio. However, there are a few dating apps that allow you to add your Snapchat username in bio, or even have a section where you can link your Snapchat. And there are subreddits that allow or even require you to share your Snapchat usernames. So want to know where exactly you can rake in hundreds of friend requests daily? Leave a comment saying give me the list below and make sure to join my Telegram channel. I'll drop the list there soon for free once I get over 50 comments. Not only will you increase your Snapchat score, but you could also convert these leads into sales if you share the right content. By now, you're probably wondering how to handle the daunting, repetitive tasks involved in organic engagement, like accepting friend requests, sending live snaps, and posting stories daily, right? But don't worry, we can automate those tasks with just a few clicks. You can check out my previous YouTube video about Snapchat bots for OnlyFans and Snapchat marketing, as well as my Snapchat automation guide, SnapPockets, linked in the description below. SnapPockets is a step-by-step guide that will help you automate your Snapchat tasks, engage with your audience more effectively, and boost your Snapchat score without risking a ban. It's an easy-to-follow guide that anyone, even without any technical skills, can implement quickly within an hour and at almost no cost. But wait, before you go, would you like to get SnapPockets for free? Just like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and comment "win" below to enter the giveaway. Once we hit 500 likes on this video and reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away SnapPockets to one lucky subscriber. The winner will be announced in the community section of this channel. So don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Cheers.